emotions. Don't you in every way? Would you just please my name? When my hands around your waist, yeah, doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. With you and me and shadows on the ceiling. That's my favorite feeling. Yeah, la la la. Doing what we do in the moonlight. I've been loving you, baby, all night. Yeah, la la. Doing what we do in the moonlight. Career namin, and now anniversary ninyong lahat. We are so happy. Biruin nyo, 6 years. 6 years is not easy. Lahat na pagdaanan natin, na-witness nyo kung ano yung pinagdaanan namin, 5 SB19, and we witness also kung ano yung pinagdaanan ninyo 18. Kaya maraming salamat. And strong pa rin tayo hanggang ngayon. And you know, hindi na ako magsasalita masyado kasi gusto ko mag-perform lang talaga, gusto ko kumanta in front of you guys. And that's why ididiretso ko na sa next performance namin. You know, a little bit of story. 2 years ago, we made a song with an artist named Jake. And you know, sobrang ganda ng kantang to. And that's why we decided na i-perform tong song na to dito sa concert namin simula at wakas.